In 1991, the world watched as a nation disappeared, not from the map, but from the inside out. Somalia, a country on the Horn of Africa, collapsed into anarchy, becoming the textbook example of a failed state. This is the story of how a nation's hopes for freedom spiraled into a devastating civil war that continues to shape its destiny today. For 22 years, Somalia was under the iron fist of dictator General Siad Barre. His rule, which he called scientific socialism, started with promises of nation-building. He even created a written script for the Somali language, boosting literacy. But over time, his regime grew corrupt and brutal, favoring his own clan and crushing dissent. This fueled a fire of resentment, and by the late 1980s, various clan-based rebel groups were waging a full-scale war against him. In January 1991, they succeeded. Siad Barre was overthrown and fled the capital, Mogadishu. But the victory celebration was short-lived. The very groups that united to oust the dictator immediately turned on each other. There was no plan, no transitional government, just a raw, brutal power vacuum. Somalia's fragile national identity shattered, and the country fractured along its ancient clan lines. What followed was a nightmare. The capital became a battlefield for competing warlords. All government institutions, the police, the courts, the civil service, vanished overnight. Chaos ruled. The fighting destroyed cities and, critically, disrupted food supplies. A catastrophic famine swept through the country, claiming the lives of hundreds of thousands of innocent people. The scale of the suffering prompted a major international response. In 1992, the United Nations launched Operation Restore Hope, led by the United States to protect aid convoys and feed the starving. But the mission quickly got entangled in the complex clan warfare. The infamous Black Hawk Down incident in October 1993, where U.S. forces suffered heavy casualties in the Battle of Mogadishu, was a turning point. Shaken by the losses, international forces began to withdraw, leaving Somalia once again to its own demons. In the wake of this collapse, Somalia broke apart. In the north, the former British Somaliland declared itself an independent republic. Though unrecognized by the world, it has managed to build a relatively stable and democratic state, a stark contrast to the south. In the northeast, the region of Puntland declared autonomy, hoping to one day be part of a future federal Somalia. But southern and central Somalia remained a land of warlords and chaos. This instability created a breeding ground for extremism. Radical groups, most notably Al-Shabaab, emerged, seizing large territories and waging a relentless war against a series of weak, internationally backed transitional governments. Today, more than 3 decades after the collapse, Somalia is still grappling with its legacy. While a federal government exists in Mogadishu, supported by African Union peacekeepers, its control is limited. The nation faces the immense challenge of rebuilding everything from scratch, healing deep societal wounds, and overcoming the persistent threat of insurgency. The story of Somalia since 1991 is a tragic lesson in how quickly a nation can unravel, and how long and painful the road back from anarchy can be. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this documentary insightful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into modern history. We'll see you in the next one.